In this video, we will discuss what is education technology, concept, meaning, and need of educational technology. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Teachers Wisdom. This side Arvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor. Before understanding what is education technology, it is very important to understand the basic concept of education and technology. So, derived meaning of education is to nourish and to bring up. Education means to draw out the best in child and man. It involves the process of modification of behavior, socialization, social efficiency, culturalization, adjustment to environment, harmonious development, and all round development of personality. So, education helps in molding the behavior of the child, in developing the personality of the child. What is technology? Technology means method and strategies of teaching tools, mechanical and electronic devices and instruments, media equipment, etc. So whatever tool which is related to engineering principles is called technology, like laptop, phone, desktop, etc. Now, when we bring education and technology together, it frames education technology. So, what is education technology? Educational technology is a systematic application of relevant technological processes and resources in teaching with the goal to improve students' performance. It involves a disciplined approach to identifying the need of students, applying technology in instructions, and tracking their performance. So this is an example of technological classroom in which there is laptop, tablet, smart board, video chat programs are organized. Definition of education technology. According to Leith, education technology is the systematic application of scientific knowledge about teaching, learning, and conditions of learning to improve the efficiency of teaching and learning. So, improving your teaching learning process, making your teaching learning process effective, we have to use technology in our classroom. Need of educational technology. First point is for effective instruction. Educational technology provide different devices, techniques, etc., which makes the teaching learning process effective or your instructional program effective and simplified. Second is for facilitating individual differences. Education technology facilitates individual students to learn according to their requirement and pace of learning. Third, for providing equal education opportunities. Education technology is needed to provide equal educational opportunities to all. Every student get equal quality of instruction irrespective of his place of study, example, sex, caste, creed, etc. Third is for preservation of knowledge. Modern electronic gadgets provide tremendous capabilities to preserve knowledge, information for future uses, including print media. So information can preserved in the form of audio video programs, computer softwares, videos, disk, etc. for use as and when required. Fifth point is for transmission of knowledge. Use of modern media in education can reach and teach students in any part of country. Radio, television, online classes, broadcast can cater to a large number of students located at different parts of the country. Next point for imparting quality education. Because of advanced planning and involvement of experts available in the area of study, mediated teaching imparts quality education to unlimited number of students. Example, computers are being used these days for various purposes because data analysis through computer is more reliable, dependable, and time saving. Next point is for educational planning. Educational technology helps in overall educational planning and is concerned with qualitative as well as quantitative design of a community entire education system. Education technology helps the educationists to plan the education system according to the value beliefs, idea and requirement of the society, as well as to make educational program more efficient and meaningful. Last point is for improving learning. Education technology definitely helps in improving learning. It is needed to facilitate human learning through systematic identification, development, organization, etc.